The CoolCube 96 is a qualified cooler and packout solution used to mobilize temperature-sensitive products without ice, electricity, or buffering material. It is the solution found in health departments and hospitals all across the country for offsite initiatives, power outage backup, and extended transport situations. The CoolCube 96 consists of three main components: PCM panels. The patented PCM phase change material panel system ensures safety, usability, longevity, and flexibility. Safety, in that the carefully calibrated PCM panels melt and freeze at precise temperatures that adhere to CDC guidelines, unlike ice or lower quality PCM. Usability, in the form of the patented beveled edge panels that fit together perfectly every time to facilitate an error-free packout process. Longevity, by ensuring that high-quality parts equate to the lowest cost of ownership possible. Flexibility, in that just by swapping out the PCM panels, the CoolCube 96 can maintain a refrigerator temperature, a lab freezer temperature, or room temperature in any environment. Temp-Shield insulation. The Temp-Shield insulation system takes the form of VIPs, vacuum insulated panels. VIPs are protected and assembled with a patented process that is considered an advanced form of thermal protection far superior to other insulation. It effectively limits the PCM panels melting or freezing, extending the PCM's consistent temperature hold for days, all the while ensuring a uniform temperature throughout the CoolCube. The case. The CoolCube 96 is ideal for extra large quantities and is very mobile. It has outside dimensions of approximately 26 by 26 by 28, with an internal packout space of 18 by 18 by 18, which is approximately 96 liters. 4 swiveling caster wheels allow ease of movement, even when fully loaded, and the retractable handles, one on each side of the case, allow 2 individuals to lift the CoolCube 96 when necessary. The hard plastic case is crush-proof and dust-proof. The lid is fastened with 6 heavy-duty latches that ensure the product is secure, even under the most extreme circumstances. An integrated porthole with removable grommet allows for use with an external temperature monitor, even when fully sealed. Refer to our CoolCube training video using a corded temperature monitor with the CoolCube 96, linked in the description below, to learn the best practice for integrating a corded probe. The exterior mesh pocket is great for holding temperature monitors and paperwork while on the go. There are 5 simple steps in using the CoolCube 96. Remove PCM panels. Prep PCM panels. Assemble PCM panels. Pack out product. And close the case. Yes, it's that simple. Check out the CoolCube training video series on our YouTube channel for further explanation.